In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a form or attachment using Mailchimp. If you're ready to make mailing attachments a seamless experience, let's dive right in. First, let's start by uploading your file. To do this, head over to your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate through the menu and click on Content, followed by Content Studio. This area acts as your library for all the materials you plan to share with your audience. Now, click on the Upload button and select the file you need. This can range from a PDF, a DOSX file, an XLSX spreadsheet, or even an image. Once you've chosen your file, give it a moment to upload. After the upload is complete, click on the file itself to view more details about it. You'll see an option to copy the URL link of your uploaded file. This link is what your newsletter recipients will click on to download the attachment. Here's a quick example of what that URL might look like. https://mailchimp.com/contentstudiofiles, your file name, .pdf. Now that you've got your file uploaded and URL ready, it's time to add this link to your email campaign. Go back to the main menu and click on Campaigns. Then select Create Campaign and choose the email option. From here, you decide whether it will be a regular email or if it's going to be automated as part of a series. This flexibility helps you tailor your messaging strategy according to your campaign needs. When you're in the email editor, you can incorporate your file link by adding either a button or a text link. For instance, a button with something catchy like "Download the form" can make it clear to your readers what action to take. If you choose to go with a text link, simply highlight the text you want clickable. Now, whether it's a button or text, your next step is to link it, highlight the text or click the button, and select Insert Link. Here, you'll paste the URL you copied earlier, and just like that, your file is all set for your audience to access. Don't forget to finish designing your email to ensure it looks great, and then proceed to send your campaign. Once your email has been dispatched, your recipients will have a straightforward, spam-free method of accessing and downloading your file. By following these steps, you're ensuring your communications are not just informative, but also interactive. That's it for today's instructional video on how to send a form or attachment using Mailchimp. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!